Going live in a barn in Illinois. This is 15 Broncos in one barn. Unbelievable. Look at the Cab Over Thriftmaster. Just like counting cars. This is an amazing find. More Broncos than we have seen in a long time in one place. The only way to get around is, honestly, by going above. There's no way to even fit through the Broncos. Each one is filled with parts on top, parts underneath, and parts inside. Almost all have 1 to 2 engines associated. Some of them have an engine in the back and an engine in the front. All of them have what appears to be VIN numbers on the windows in some way with the year of the vehicles. We've seen 66 through 77, and it looks like the folks who stashed this away really just specialized in the 66 to 77s. Unbelievable. We're still finding parts, still finding unique pieces, all related to Broncos and a few Chevys here and there. Thanks so much for joining us.